Morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine. I hope everyone is doing great. So, kids, do you remember what we have done in our last class? We have finished with the chapter The Petting Zoo. I hope now you are clear with the chapter. We have also read about different body parts of animals. Again, we'll revise different body parts of animals and we'll start with our new topic. Shall we revise the previous one? Let's start. Said again, we are going to revise about animals and their body parts. Animals have the same features as human beings: eyes, ears, nose, and limbs. But their features look very different from ours. Many animals have big, floppy ears, whereas we have small ears. Birds have beaks instead of a mouth. The noses of different animals are different. The elephant's nose is a trunk. Animals have tails, but we don't have one. Birds have wings to fly, but no other animal has wings. The animal world is really interesting, isn't it? Let's look at the questions. Again, we'll revise the answers. Shall we start? Let's start. We've already read the paragraph about animal and their body parts. Now again we'll revise the exercise. Fill in the blanks with features that each animal has. Cow has tail, horn, whiskers. Cat, tail, whiskers, paws. Dog, tail, whiskers, paws. Horse, tail, whiskers, paws. After their body parts, we'll revise their places. Just look at the question. Shall we revise? Let's revise. Animal and their places. Animals live in different places. Bat lives in cave. Rabbit, burrow. Eagle, nest. Spider, web. Bee, hive. Again we'll revise this activity. Guess the animals by these riddles. Shall we revise? Let's revise. Again we are going to revise this activity. Guess the animals by these riddles. First, I move and I hiss. I poison with my kiss. Snake. Second, I am black, I am white. I am a horse with less height. Mule. Third, I climb trees, but I am not a cat. I eat nuts and I am not a rat. Squirrel. Fourth, highest in the food chain, and I am the king with a mane. Lion. Kids, we have read about animal body parts. Like human beings, we also have body parts. Animal also has body parts. But their body parts and our body parts are different. Some animals have big ears, we have small. Elephant has trunk, some animals has tail. So I hope now you are clear with the body parts of animal and their homes. Now we'll start with our new topic, cardinal number and ordinal number. Let's start. So kids, we are going to start cardinal number and ordinal number. Cardinal number means normal number like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And ordinal number means say position of something. For example, if you participate in running race, we will not say he came 1, she came 2. We will say he came first, she came second. So first, second, third, fourth is an ordinal number. Let us start with exercise. Shall we start? Let's start. Already explained you about cardinal and ordinal number. We'll solve this worksheet. We'll first read the table cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ordinal, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. A cardinal number says the number of something. An ordinal number says the position of something. See the question. Write the cardinal numbers and the ordinal numbers in the correct boxes. In the bracket, you have been given cardinal and ordinal number. Let us solve this worksheet. Question. Fill in the blanks with the right words. Shall we start? Let's start. Already explained you about cardinal and ordinal numbers. I'll again explain. A cardinal number says the number of something, for example 1, 2, 3. An ordinal number says the position of something, for example first, second, third. We've seen the questions. Now we'll solve the worksheet. Write the cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers in the correct boxes. In bracket you have been given 11, 16th, 40, 11th, 15, 9, 15th, 10th, 6th, 20th. So cardinal number will be 11, 40, 9, 15, 6. Ordinal 16th, 11th, 10th, 20th. B. Fill in the blanks with the right word. First, she came dash in the class. In bracket it is given 1 and first. 1 is cardinal number, first is ordinal number. Ordinal means position. So we will not write 1. We will say first. So we will write she came first in the class. Second, there are dash pencils in my box. In bracket it is given 2. Second, we will write 2. Cardinal number. We study math in the dash period. In bracket it is given 4. Fourth, we will write fourth. We study math in the fourth period. Fourth, Arup scored dash in the English test. So we will write 20. Arup scored 20 in the English test. I sit in the dash row in the class. In bracket it is given 1 and first. We will write first because it says about position. My mother said that there are dash wonders in the world. In bracket it is given 7 or 7th. We will write 7 because they are saying about just numbers. Priya chose the dash doll in the row. In bracket it is given 8 or 8th. We will write 8th because again they are talking about position. We have bought dash pairs of shoes. Bracket it is given 5 or 5th. We will write 5 because it's just a number. We have bought 5 pair of shoes. We have seen the exercise of cardinal and ordinal number. I request please keep the habit of reading and revise the grammar portion again and again. Refer our video. I'll end my session here. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay at home.